If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Callan Wesley, where we are going to be working on changing the narrative of Africa. So smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single good day while spreading Africa and while spreading Ghana to the world. I have a really awesome day planned. I haven't done a proper vlog in a while, so I thought I'd bring the camera with and take you guys and girls along with me to show you what I'm up to for the day. Seeing as how we're going to the pool, we've got to make sure that I bring a costume, bring a couple things with, and I'm just going to throw them all in this bag, take the bag with me. Time to choose a costume. The way 2020 has been going, I think this would accurately represent for an outfit choice, but I'm not going to go so brave today. I'm just going to throw on one of these pairs of swim trunks, and they got built-in underwear, so you don't have to worry about taking an extra pair after you're swimming. So I can just throw that in. I'll probably just throw my Birkenstocks on with that, possibly even this shirt because it's really light, really breathable. And then don't want to get burnt, so I've got the option of just the old school hat, or I have the option of putting on the floppy hat. But I think I'm just going to throw this hat on, so I'll throw that in the bag, and then more than likely I think this is quite a nice shirt, will match the outfit. Put that in the bag, and then from there we're off. So if you guys really think you know where we're heading, let me know in the comment section below and see which one of you actually have been following the channel for so long can already decide where I'm off to. See you all at the pool. We made our way to the beautiful Movenpick Ambassadors Hotel, which is right in the center, in the hustling bustle of the city center of Accra. The pool looks a little bit empty right now, so we're going to try and find out if we can still go in and swim because it is a scorch of a day, but beautiful weather. I love the whole vibe here with the palm trees, the whole entrance. The lobby area is beautiful, but we are in no attire right now to jump in a swimming pool, so we're going to head to the bathrooms now. I'll show you the bathrooms. They're absolutely beautiful, and we're just going to enjoy our afternoon by the pool. The pool bar gives you this menu that has all your beverages on the one side and all your food on the other side. So you have your starters such as your Caesar salad, your chicken salad, your Greek salad, your Arabic mezza. You got burgers. You got three different options: your classic burger, your cheeseburger, and your chicken burger. Your pizzas, you have a margarita pizza or chicken pizza, and then you have some snacks, which are your spring rolls and samosas, your chicken wings, and then you can also get from the grill, which are your grilled prawns or your grilled chicken breasts. The ice cream here is absolutely delicious. The juices, as always, your pineapple, your orange, your mango, your apple, cranberry. And then your drinks, you can get your beers, milkshakes, rosé, your red wines, your white wines, your champagnes, your soft drinks, all different types of cocktails. But what I like about this menu, a lot of restaurants, a lot of places give you so many options to choose from that you never actually know which one you want to choose from. So yeah, it's very short, it's very straight to the point, gives you one or two options, make your decision, and it just helps that relaxed vibe. We don't have to be stressed over decisions, you just choose and you just go with it. So I'm more than likely going to go for a chicken pizza, and then I might just get a chocolate ice cream milkshake because I think that'll just set the tone for the rest of the day. This is why we absolutely just love it here. The weather here just is perfect every single day. It's one of the biggest pools I've ever seen. It's absolutely amazing. Everyone's socially distancing amongst the umbrellas. You got all the palm trees all the way around, and then the Movenpick main building is just in the background. So right now I'm hiding underneath both umbrellas because I do not want to get sunstroke just before New Year. But it is a really great day. You can see all the palm trees I'm talking about. Just the whole atmosphere and everything is just really great at this place. The juices have arrived, which I cannot wait for because it is boiling hot outside here. Clayton picked himself up a pineapple juice. This pineapple juice was 30 cds. It looks really nice, looks super delicious. I kept my word, I picked myself up this chocolate milkshake, and this chocolate milkshake was actually 20 cds, so it was even cheaper than the pineapple juice. Haven't been to many places where that is the case, but I thought, you know what, let me give you a proper taste here, see what it's like. They have paper straws here, which is also really nice environment and all of that. So that is actually really tasty. Really happy with my decision, and then we'll just carry on lying in the sun, just enjoying the good life in my favorite country on this planet, and then our food should come, and it's also normally absolutely top class here. And the food has arrived. I must say this place is really punctual with when you're ordering food. The food always looks delicious. Like, let's just start off by showing you my pizza. This is a chicken pizza. It looks absolutely delicious. And then Clayton picked himself. He was doing a healthy meal today. So he's got the chicken Caesar salad with some croutons. He even offered me the croutons because he doesn't want to eat them. But you know, I can't say no to that. Let me give a quick little taste. Let you guys know what it's like. I'm not gonna lie, I usually have this. I either have this or the margarita, just depending on how much meat I feel like having that day. But I just destroyed the pizza pulling it apart, so let's give it a try. That was really nice. You can taste the ingredients on it are fresh. A lot of the places they put a lot of these mushrooms on it, and the mushrooms, I'm not the biggest mushroom fan, so this one tastes delicious. I even put a shirt on to be more formal, and you guys just didn't see my glowing body, so I'm just going to dig into this, let Clayton eat his food because he's busy behind the camera, and then might go for a swim afterwards. I'm really impressed by the service, and it's just a really great day we've had here. You have 3 options of places you can eat. You can order by the pool and use the bar menu. You can go inside where they have a pub. So there's actually 4 options. Then they have a full restaurant, or there is a cafeteria or a canteen type place where they serve sandwiches, ice creams and everything like that. That's what we normally get. We stop by here and go and get them because they have some of the most tasty bagels and baguettes, and it's just absolutely wonderful here. So just a big shout out to the Movenpick for letting us come by, letting us use the pool, and just it's been an absolutely amazing day. It's around 3 o'clock now, so still some of the day left. Ghana is always such a dangerous place for me to come because I absolutely love it, and I just grow more and more attached to it every single time I come back here. Even though I have lived here in the past, it always makes it so much harder. Even though I know I'll be back in a couple months, and just like, I don't want to leave, can I not just stay? But it's just, the people here are amazing, and the difference of the places and the things you can do. I can come to a 5-star hotel, sit by a pool, I can go to a 5-star restaurant, but at the same time then I can go walk down my road and pay 3 cedis for some traditional wachi and eat it. I can get food down the street. So it's like, it is such a great balance, and everyone is just so appreciative, they're so smiling, they're so happy. Everyone, it puts it so much in perspective when you see people around you and just how happy they are, and it's just an absolutely amazing place. So thank you once again to the Movenpick for letting me and my brother come out here, just spend our day by a pool. Absolutely incredible day. I'll also leave the hotel descriptions in the description box, where the location is, the address, how you can book if you want to stay. If you just want to come for a day at the pool, come and do it. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve global health every single day while spreading Africa, while spreading Ghana to the world. And let's keep on growing this family, and let's get to 50,000 subscribers.